Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I will show that how to fix TikTok content cannot be restored. Solve this problem, you can follow the step. If you receive a message from TikTok saying content cannot be restored, how to remove in this message content cannot be restored or remove the community guideline strike. Here a professional breakdown of your situation and step you can take. Follow. What a content cannot be restored message means the review team at TikTok has made a final decision. The content violent the community guideline and permanently remove. No apparel is possible for this specific post. In most cases, strike or warning may be placed on your account. You can solve this problem, you can follow the step. Reduce impact or remove this strike. Check your account status. Go to your profile picture, then tap on three lines on top right corner, then tap on setting and privacy, then tap on accounts, step 2, review TikTok guideline. Understand that rules you broke, so it is won't happen again. Step 3, wait for expire most minor strike expire automatically. During this time, avoid posting content and cannot be break community guideline again. Clean positive content. You can follow the step, solve this problem. Please like and subscribe my channel.